else we've got is the cabbage. Just gonna add some cabbage here. You just some grated carrots. I hope it's not too much. Gonna mix it just like that, and of course I'm gonna chop some mushrooms. Just so we got this. I got some pepper and I got some salt. We're gonna just mix it. Oops, something fell down. And some pepper. And salt. Now we're gonna add some eggs. I need some more eggs. So just well, actually let's add 2 more eggs. So I will do it. A little bit of oil to our pan. We have a rice paper. I'm gonna make it just wet a little bit. Look, it's just wet. I'm gonna add it here. And now we're just gonna add our just like that. And now we're gonna try to put it all even, and we're gonna proceed the same with another rice paper on top. I'm gonna wet it. So it's just wet with just water from both sides, and we place it on top. Now we let it cook, and then we're gonna turn it, and that's it. Let's see how it works. So now we're just gonna turn it. Oh, just a second. Oops. Oh man, I need to grip correctly. So now. Just like that.